If native Jira dashboards don't give you the exact metrics you need, custom values in rich filters are the solution. You can build perfectly tailored metrics by customizing how existing fields and issue counts are displayed and aggregated. Define custom labels, colors, display formats, JQL filters, or time durations, and reuse them across all your dashboard gadgets. Start with a rich filter ready under Apps, Rich Filters. Create a new dashboard, set the layout to 2 columns, and add a rich filter controller gadget to the left column. Now let's create your first custom value. Open your rich filter configuration and go to the Custom Values tab. Click Create Custom Value. Name it Time Spent in Hours and pick an orange color. Set base value to time spent, total formula to sum total, and time display format to hours. Click Create. Now let's create a numeric custom value. Click Create Custom Value again. Name it Resolved Story Points and give it a green color. Set base value to story points. For total formula, select sum total. For the JQL, enter. Resolution is not empty. This ensures only resolved issues are counted. Click Create. Let's put these custom values to work. Go to your dashboard and add a rich filter Simple Counters gadget. Place it below the controller. In the configuration form, select your rich filter. From the Values dropdown, add issue count, time spent in hours, and resolved story points. Click Submit. The gadget now displays the aggregated totals for each of your custom values. Try applying filters in the controller. For example, select different assignees and priorities. Notice how the counters update instantly based on your selection. Let's break the data down further. Add a rich filter statistics gadget to the right column using the same rich filter. Set assignee as the breakdown. For values, select issue count, time spent in hours, and resolved story points, and click Submit. You can now see each assignee's totals for your metrics side by side. Now let's explore duration-based custom values. Go back to your Rich Filters Custom Values tab. Create a new custom value named Age and assign it the blue color. Set base value to issue age/resolution time, total formula to average value, and duration display to days. Click Create. Let's create one more called Average Resolution Time in gray using the same settings. But this time, add the JQL filter. Resolution is not empty, so it only applies to resolved issues. Add Average Resolution Time to your Statistics gadget. Each assignee now shows their average resolution time alongside the other metrics. Now let's display some custom values as columns in a list of issues. Go back to your rich filter configuration and open the Views tab. Add a new view called Delivery Status Check. Add these columns: issue type, key, priority, summary, assignee, time spent in hours, status, resolution, and age. Make sure to toggle on the Show Totals row to add a summary row at the bottom of the results. Back on your dashboard, add a Rich Filter Results gadget to the right column. Select your rich filter. Set Display to all issues and views to Customize Shown Views, and then select Delivery Status Check. Click Submit. Notice the custom value columns and the totals row at the bottom, showing aggregated values based on the formulas we defined earlier. Let's create one more advanced custom value. Go back to the Custom Values tab and click Create Custom Value. Name it Due In and set its color to red. For base value, select Custom Duration. Set Start to Current Time and End to Due Date. For the total formula, select Minimum Value so the total reflects the most imminent deadline. For JQL, enter. Resolution is empty, since there's no need to track deadlines for already resolved issues. Click Create. Add the Due In column to your Delivery Status Check view, refresh the dashboard, and you'll see days to deadline per issue. Notice how the totals row instantly shows you the tightest deadline across all these issues. Finally, let's visualize this with a chart. Add a rich filter flexi charts gadget to your dashboard. Select your rich filter. For chart type, select bar chart. Select priority as the breakdown and average resolution time as the value. You now have a chart showing average resolution time by priority. Custom values give you the flexibility to define exactly the metrics you need and use them consistently across your dashboard gadgets, all without needing Jira admin access.